Pipe wrenches, while primarily designed for plumbing tasks, can also be useful for various non-plumbing applications. Their robust construction and adjustable jaw allow them to grip and rotate large, heavy objects, making them versatile tools for different tasks around the home or workshop. For instance, pipe wrenches are often used to loosen or tighten large bolts, nuts, and fittings that are too difficult to handle with standard wrenches. They can also be handy for working with automotive parts, such as removing stubborn oil filters or working on exhaust pipes. In industrial settings, pipe wrenches can assist in the assembly or disassembly of large machinery, where heavy-duty components are involved. They are also useful for tasks such as securing or loosening large metal pipes or rods, especially in tight spaces. However, it's important to remember that pipe wrenches are not ideal for delicate tasks, as their teeth can leave marks or damage softer materials. For jobs involving smaller fasteners or precision work, other tools like adjustable wrenches or pliers are more suitable. While their primary function is in plumbing, pipe wrenches' ability to handle heavy-duty gripping tasks makes them a useful tool for a variety of non-plumbing needs.